The Honda NR750 is not just a motorcycle. It is a symbol of engineering brilliance, innovation, and Honda's relentless pursuit of perfection. Introduced in 1992 as a limited production superbike, the NR750 was Honda's bold statement to the world that it could break conventions and set new standards in motorcycle technology. Though it was never intended to dominate the racetrack or the showroom floor, it succeeded in showcasing the brand's cutting-edge engineering capabilities and futuristic vision. One of the most striking features of the NR750 is its oval piston engine. Unlike the conventional round pistons used in almost every other motorcycle, the NR750 Volt's 4 engine employed oval-shaped pistons, which effectively turned it into a V8 configuration. Each piston had 8 valves, 4 intake and 4 exhaust, and 2 connecting rods. This allowed the engine to rev higher and breathe more efficiently, delivering an impressive 125 horsepower at 14,000 RPM. While these figures might seem modest by today's standards, the technological leap it represented was extraordinary for its time. The NR750 was also a pioneer in terms of materials and aerodynamics. Its bodywork was crafted using carbon fiber reinforced panels, a material more commonly found in aircraft and Formula One cars at the time. The seamless, flowing lines and enclosed tail section weren't just beautiful, they were aerodynamically functional, designed to reduce drag and improve high-speed stability. The underseat exhaust system and single-sided swing arm added to the motorcycle's exotic appeal and mechanical uniqueness. Design. The first thing that grabs attention about the NR750 is its aerodynamic, sleek, and futuristic bodywork. Unlike most motorcycles of the early 90s, the NR750 featured extensive use of curves, integrated panels, and smooth lines that gave it an almost space-age appearance. The large, bubble-like fairings not only helped reduce drag, but also gave the bike a muscular, powerful silhouette. Honda didn't just design the bike to look fast, it was engineered to slice through air at high speeds. The signature underseat exhausts, twin oval silencers exiting beneath the tail, were ahead of their time, adding a clean, aggressive look that has since inspired many modern superbike designs. The tail section was sharp and compact, further contributing to the bike's aerodynamic efficiency. One of the NR750 most revolutionary engineering features was its oval piston engine, which allowed for a V4 layout with characteristics of an inline 8. To echo this innovation, Honda subtly included oval design elements throughout the motorcycle. The headlights, air intakes, and even instrument cluster carried the oval motif, blending mechanical innovation with visual design. The bodywork was made from carbon fiber reinforced plastic, something typically seen only in racing machines or exotic sports cars at the time. The use of high-end materials continued throughout the bike. Billet aluminum components, polished alloy parts, and titanium bits were used generously. The iconic red and silver paint scheme was luxurious and unmistakably Honda refined, bold, and premium. Performa. At the heart of the NR750 lies a V4 engine, but what truly sets it apart is its unique oval piston design. Each piston features 8 valves and 2 connecting rods, effectively mimicking a V8 layout in a V4 configuration. This unconventional design was developed to meet racing regulations that limited engines to 4 cylinders, while seeking the performance of an 8-cylinder machine. The result is a highly complex engine capable of reaching a redline of 15,000 RPM, a staggering figure for a 4-stroke bike in the early 90s. On the road, the NR750 delivers a smooth but powerful ride. It produces around 125 horsepower at 14,000 RPM and 72 Newton-meters of torque at 11,500 RPM. While these numbers might not seem extraordinary today, the delivery is incredibly refined, and the engine sounds like no other, thanks to its V4 growl combined with the high-pitched scream of racing heritage. The power band is smooth and predictable, making the bike easy to handle for skilled riders. The NR750 handling is equally impressive. Its twin-spar aluminum frame, combined with an advanced suspension system, provides superb stability and cornering capabilities. The bike feels planted in high-speed turns, and its weight distribution is carefully balanced for agility. The front features 43mm upside-down forks, and the rear uses a Pro Arm single-sided swing arm, rare and premium features at the time. Braking is handled by dual 310mm front discs and a single 255mm rear disc, offering strong stopping power with excellent feedback. Comfort. The riding position of the Honda NR750 is unmistakably sporty. With low-set handlebars and rear-set foot pegs, the bike puts the rider in a forward-leaning posture that's ideal for high-speed cornering and track performance. However, for long-distance cruising or city commuting, this aggressive stance may be physically demanding. Riders over 6 feet tall might find the legroom a bit cramped, while shorter riders could struggle with the relatively high seat height of around 31 inches. Despite this, the overall ergonomics are well thought out. The bike's narrow waist and smooth tank contours allow riders to grip the motorcycle comfortably with their knees, especially when maneuvering through tight curves. The handlebar positioning, while low, does provide decent leverage and control, contributing to a sense of precision and connectedness with the machine. The seat on the NR750 is a dual-purpose sport seat, firm enough to give clear feedback from the road but padded sufficiently for short to medium rides. It's not plush like a touring bike seat, but it isn't brutally hard either. For those using the bike for weekend rides or occasional track days, the seat should provide adequate support. However, extended rides beyond an hour or two may result in discomfort due to the firm padding and the rider's fixed position. Suspension and ride quality. Honda equipped the NR750 with high-end suspension components, a 43mm upside-down Showa front fork, and a Pro Arm single-sided swing arm at the rear. Both ends are adjustable for preload, compression, and rebound damping, allowing riders to tune the setup for comfort or performance. The suspension strikes a good balance between firmness and compliance, soaking up smaller road imperfections while remaining planted during aggressive riding. On smoother roads, the NR750 feels stable and composed, offering a confidence-inspiring ride. However, on poorly maintained surfaces or rougher streets, the ride can become harsh due to the stiff nature of the sport bike-tuned suspension. It's worth noting that the bike's frame and swing arm were designed for rigidity, which adds to the firm ride feel. The Honda NR750 is not built with touring comfort in mind. Rather, it is a piece of high-performance art meant to be admired and experienced in bursts.